Oh yeah. Okay, no, this one I already actually got. So let's just put him back here. We a little dragon. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Bluedio Tech. So it's time for another unboxing video. I've got some stuff that is going to be some videos for you guys. So this is again a sneak peek to some of the videos that is coming out in the near future. I did do a previous unboxing just like a few weeks back, or I don't even remember, but it wasn't that long ago, and I still have to do a lot of those stuff. So it's gonna be a busy few weeks. So as you guys can see, I have a monitor. I've got a bigger box with some very nice goodies, and then some other ones down here. So we're gonna open them up, see what's inside with the monitor. You guys can already see it's a monitor, but I'm gonna open it up, show you guys how the ASUS monitor looks, and yeah, just give you guys a sneak peek. So with that, let's quickly get this thing off. But just before that, if you guys are in the market for a new NVIDIA RTX or graphics card, whether it's a 2080 Ti, a 2080, or the new 2070 graphics cards, RebelTech has you covered from also all of your favorite brands, whether it's a Gigabyte, MSI, or ASUS. So definitely check out RebelTech to get your new RTX graphics card now. Alrighty, so got my knife. Let's start with the small stuff first. Gonna leave the big boy for later. There we go. Alrighty, so let's start with this one. I have actually already opened this one up, so because I really want to see what was inside, and that is the AVerMedia HD2 Live Gamer HD2 PCI Express recorder. So this is more meant for like if you wanted to build like a streaming PC, put this in your PC, and then you're able to stream or record pretty much anything, especially if you have a secondary PC, then you don't have to use your main PC as the main recorder. So let's quickly, I'm gonna leave it for later, see if we're gonna open it up, but now let's quickly do this one, and this one is freaking wrapped like crazy. Alrighty, so in this box we have some, what is it? Oh, we have some Xiaomi, I don't really know how exactly you pronounce it, but we have some of their new Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. These are just extension, Yeelight extension cables, well, lights that you most likely just extend this one with. They say it extends up to 10 meters or 33 feet. And if you guys know, I already have my Yeelight behind the TV there. I do have my Yeelight bulbs just behind the monitors. So what you can actually do, let me just quickly get my phone. So with these, you can actually control, my battery is about to die. You can actually control the light. So for the bulbs behind my desk, again, I can change the color to red, purple, and change it to white as well. So everything is you can control it through your phone. And these ones are their new LED light strips. So I'm gonna do a video about them because I do use them and I do like them. They're a cheaper version than the Philips Hue, which is kind of expensive, but they still pretty much do the exact same thing, just at a much more affordable price. So now let's quickly open this one and do tear it up. Use my muscles, my puny little muscles. Alright, so here we have the Bluedio T6 wireless Bluetooth headsets, sort of like that, and then we have a different like earbud wireless system. So yeah, two wireless headphones and earphones that I'm going to do videos about. These ones are actually, Gearbase contacted me asking if I wanted to review any of their products, and I was actually looking for a like wireless Bluetooth headset, so this is nice. The Bluedios usually have really good reviews online, so that's why I kind of went with these ones. So I'm gonna quickly open it up. Gotta get the the yellow ones, the bumblebee yellow. So these are those. They're actually really nice so far. Metal frame, relatively soft cushions. Let's quickly just try them on. Hopefully my hair is not too bad. And so far they're actually, yeah, they're really comfortable. They don't have extremely thick cushions, ear pads. So my ears do scratch against the inside, but it's actually not too bad. Like, I will be able to wear these for long periods at a time. So yeah, I wanted these especially because I want to use them to go to the gym more. I'll later on test sound quality and all of that. But yeah, I think these were around $60 or so. So the review for these ones will come out shortly. And then we have these are the wireless earbud ones. There we go. Ooh, it's red. That is a different color. Alright, so here they are. They are a bit plasticky. Really plasticky. So I think, but these ones were also relatively cheap, so be able to use them. And then you do have your charging or your like battery pack. Nice thing about these is I have reviewed some of the other ones before, and the thing is with this one you can actually charge your phone because it is a 2100 milliamp hour battery pack, so you can actually charge your phone with this as well, and then use it with your earbuds. So also I'm gonna use these ones in maybe a like cool tech under 50. I don't really know, I can't remember how much these ones cost, so I'll probably do a video like that and just get your charging cable, your baggie, some earbuds. So that's pretty much that. And now we have the big box, which is addressed to WDT, We Do Tech. So I got these ones from RebelTech, and it's primarily one brand. I know what's inside, so mostly from one brand, which I really do like. I do use them personally. And that is, I don't know if you guys can see with the top camera, that is Razer. So I've got a bunch of Razer stuff. I do hope the camera at the top is wide enough so you guys can see. So I'm quickly gonna pull everything out first so I can show you on the main camera. So here everything is. So here is everything. That's English. Okay, so firstly, let's take a look. This is the Corsair MP510, one of their new and super fast M.2 NVMe SSDs. So this is a 906 gig version, and it has sequential reads up to 3,480 megabytes per second, and sequential writes up to 3,000. So that is crazy fast. So I think I'm gonna compare this one against my Samsung 960 EVO Pro. See how fast it is, and yeah, I'm not sure really sure on the price for this one, but it's probably going to be around the same price as well. So fast NVMe SSD is always nice. So this is all of the Razer products. Again, a bunch of RGB. We have the Nari, we have the Mamba Yeelight, we have the Huntsman Yeelight, and then also their Goliathus extended Chroma, which is their extended cloth RGB mousepad. So again, I'm gonna do a full like unboxing for all of these products and then go a bit more in depth, and then I'm gonna do the reviews. But I'm just gonna do a quick look, let's say at the Huntsman. We can just open it up quickly, and so these ones uses their new optomechanical switches, so it's optical and mechanical in one. So this is the Huntsman. You do get the nice wrist race that connects like with a magnetic, and there's a connection there. So this is also going to light up. Get again the optomechanical switches. Get your volume here, all of that. So far, I know this is quite an expensive keyboard, but I have read really good reviews on this one, so I'm actually really looking forward to trying it out, and especially try out the optomechanical switches, because it's super soft. wow. It's really soft to the touch, but it's still nice and clicky, which I like. So yeah, so that is the Huntsman. Not gonna do the Mamba Elite now. Let's quickly just take a quick look at the Nari. So I believe this one is to replace the Man-O-War. So it should work. I haven't really checked, but I do believe that it should be able to work on consoles as well then. It works on PC, Mac, PlayStation, Switch, and Xbox. So that is nice. You do have your wireless receiver just down here that you can just pull out, 2.4 gigahertz. You should be able to use it in wired mode as well. You can charge it up, have all of your volume controls and everything. Just quickly try it out this way around. Oh damn. Wow. These are hella comfortable. Whoa. Super comfortable. Whoa, this is really nice. It is a bit plasticky. Because I know with the Man-O-War, like they had problems where the people, if you bend it a bit more, it will break here at the top. These ones do have the metal frame now, which is going to help. Which a lot of headsets do have. The ear cups are able to swivel, and it's really big. I have to say it's really big, but it is extremely comfortable, and it's not tight at all. So, ooh, no, these ones I'm looking forward to trying them out. They're gonna be nice. So this is the Nari. Also, I'm not too sure about the price. They're probably gonna be expensive. Okay, so I thought I'm not gonna do the unboxing of the monitor because it is just kind of a monitor, but it is the ASUS VS278 LCD 27-inch monitor that is more of a mainstream monitor, and then also you can use it on your consoles, whether your PC or whatever you want, you will be able to use that. So instead of that, I'm quickly gonna unbox these two, the AVerMedia Live Gamer HD2, and then also the Yeelight, and then just quickly give it a quick test, and then later on I might do a full video. So again, I do have the previous Lightstrip. Ooh, it smells weird. Everything smells weird. So the charging, well, the power brick thing, the adapter, the LED light. So it is, I believe, nope, not magnetic, but you do have the double-sided tape here, or just the sticky tape. Quickly gonna power it up. So to power it on, you can pretty much just press this button if it's not connected to your phone. And yeah, so that is, I'm not really exactly sure how long this is. Probably around 2 meters already. So you can change, it's like a snake, get off me. You can change the colors either by holding it in, and it's gonna change, and then you just leave once you actually have the color you want. Now it does look a bit weird on the camera, but it is nice and green. And you can also, again, use these ones to extend it. So this is the extension cables that I got. This is the one. It's a bit rolled up, but you can just do, there's an extra 1 meter. So now you can do it with another one. And again, I'll do it in a different video, but you can control it through your phone and everything to make it look all kill. Doop, doop, doop. So that is it for the Xiaomi Yeelight Lightstrip. Now let's quickly get into the AVerMedia Live Gamer HD. I'm just gonna leave this there. Now I'm gonna remove it. Now getting into the HD Live Gamer, the Live Gamer HD2. There we go. Ooh, it's a nice little box. Let's quickly just take it out here. Get a nice blue shiny box. And then inside, get the PCI Express card. So this is pretty much a must if you want to stream and you don't really have a beastly system. So in my system, I'm running a Threadripper, which is pretty much enough to really use your CPU for all of the encoding work while streaming. But if you have a not as powerful CPU, then you're gonna need a capture card. So you're gonna connect this again into your secondary PC, run your display from your current PC into the capture card, and it's going to be able to do all of the rendering work, so your PC can just focus on all of your gaming and not really the encoding for the stream. Now also just a quick mention, you do get the PCI Express capture cards, which is like this one, and then you get the external ones which runs off like a USB. So there's different ones that's gonna be for different applications, but for PC these ones are the main ones that you want. So that's pretty much it for my unboxing video and a sneak peek to some of the reviews that is coming out in the near future. I do also hope you guys love my new hair. Got it this morning. It's all green. I'm officially a gaming YouTuber where I have to dye my hair. But this time I've actually have RGB, so they don't have that, but I do. So yeah. But yeah, that's kind of all of the products. Again, just a sneak peek at some of the reviews that are coming out in the near future. It's gonna be a busy few weeks because I kind of only have some of these products for a limited time before I have to go back. So it's gonna be busy, but it's gonna be nice. I'm looking forward to trying out the Razer products, the HD Live Gamer HD2. Keep turning it around. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do enjoy these unboxing videos, also just more casual videos, let me know down in the comments below. Like this video, share it, subscribe, do all of that stuff. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will check all of you guys in the next video. Cheers, guys.